Hello, I am Dr. Pallavi Priyadarshini and I am the consultant and in charge of CREF or Center for Reproductive Endocrinology and Fertility and IVF at Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. So, coming to infertility in general, what is infertility? Infertility is basically inability to conceive even after trying for a baby for almost a year if you're less than 35 years of age for the female partner, or if the female partner is more than 35, then it comes down to 6 months. So to begin your investigations or a checkup, if you are having any trouble conceiving, it would be the right time to investigate and then go ahead. It can be either primary or secondary, which means you could have not been pregnant before and still having a trouble, and you could have been pregnant before and still having a trouble. So both ways, the timeline is very important. What are the factors which lead to infertility? So factors could be very, very multifactorial. So the most common is the ovulation factor or the ovarian reserve dwindling down. Ovulation factor meaning the woman is not able to ovulate in every menstrual cycle, or if the ovarian reserve of the lady has come down. Then we come to the male factor, which means the semen in terms of concentration, motility, morphology of the sperms needs to be analyzed just to figure out if there is a problem there. Thirdly, tubal factor, which means the fallopian tubes of the lady should be patent. As you can see in this diagram very well, that there is a uterus, that's the vagina, and these are the two fallopian tubes, these are the two ovaries. If there is no ovulation from here, then obviously it cannot be picked up from the fallopian tube. The fertilization occurs here. So if there is no patency of these tubes, no fertilization, hence no conception. So that's another factor. Then coming to more general factors like endometriosis, for example, that's again a very important factor which can lead to less chances of conception and advanced age of the female, unfortunately, along with uterine fibroids or polyps. Now, how do we treat this? First and foremost, education is very important. The knowledge of the fertile period when a woman can try for a baby is important. For example, if the lady has regular cycles of 28-30 days, day 11 to day 18 are the right days, or we have ovulation tracking kits available, or we can do an ultrasound scan and do a follicular monitoring and find out when the lady is ovulating. The other modalities are ovulation induction, which means inducing the ovaries to produce or recruit more follicles to ovulate. So it can be done either through medication, oral medication, or through injections. The basic intention is to have an ovulation or release of the egg. Then we come to intrauterine insemination. It means the washed sperms of the husband needs to be prepared in a certain way and then instilled back into the uterine cavity of the lady. So to enhance her chances of conceiving, giving nature a helping hand. In vitro fertilization or test tube baby or intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. This is again a very widely used term. Basically, it means that eggs are retrieved or they are taken out from the woman's body after a certain period of time. She is on some injections, and these eggs are fertilized with the sperms, and the resulting embryo is put back or transferred into the uterine cavity of the woman. So that's the process which happens in the fertilization occurs in the embryology lab, and that's why a test tube baby is the nomenclature. Now, why Kokilaben? In the sea of so many fertility centers. Well, why? Because we have a very high-end advanced embryology laboratory with one of the finest ICSI machines or intracytoplasmic sperm injection micromanipulator machine for precision of injecting the sperm into the egg. We are also accredited for PGS, PGD for the couples who are indicated for the genetic testing. And above all, everything is under one roof. So it's a multi-speciality hospital, it's a research center with all the high-end facilities available in India at the moment.